In front of me is LG K62+, and let me show you how to update apps on this phone. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store right here, tap on More icon, which is 3 horizontal lines in left upper corner, and select My Apps and Games right here. And here under Update, so in this first tab, you can see all applications that can be updated, games and apps. They are all included here, and you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, and then you can observe the progress. So at first it will be downloaded, and then the latest version will be installed. Wakey wakey. Okay, so let me try with another. Okay, so here it is. But you can also update all apps at once. To do it, let me just tap it. To do it, smoothly click on Update All right here, and then all your apps will be updated. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.